15 motivational quotes. 1. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. 2. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. 3. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. 4. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. 5. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. 6. The harder the conflict, the greater the triumph. George Washington. 7. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Unknown. 8. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Lao Tzu. 9. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. C.S. Lewis. 10. Failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. Henry Ford. 11. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein. 12. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer. 13. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Christian D. Larson. 14. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. 15. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Steve Jobs.